In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find property tax in Ontario 2025, step by step. We're going to use the City of Toronto's property tax lookup to quickly view your property's tax details. This tool is designed for Toronto properties within Ontario, and it pulls information based on what appears on your tax bill. To make this smooth, have your most recent property tax bill in front of you. First, head to the property tax lookup page on the City of Toronto website. You can go directly from the city site by navigating to Services and Payments, then Property Taxes, and selecting Property Tax Lookup. Make sure you're on the official toronto.ca page before entering any details. On the lookup page, you'll see a few fields. Start with the roll number. This is the long assessment roll number printed on your bill, often near the top. Enter it exactly as shown on the bill. If your bill shows dashes or spaces, follow the on-screen instructions for the field. Some forms ignore punctuation, while others expect it to match the format. Next, type the last name for residential properties, or the business name for commercial properties, exactly as it appears on your bill. Matching the spelling, punctuation, and spacing is important. If there are multiple owners, use the primary name printed on the bill. Then, enter the postal code of the mailing address associated with the bill. This is crucial. Use the mailing address postal code, not the property's physical address if they're different. Include the space in the postal code if the form requests it. Now add your customer number from the bill. This is another identifier unique to your account. Again, enter it exactly as shown. Once all fields are filled, click View Property Tax Details. If everything matches, you'll see your property tax information, such as current balance, upcoming installment due dates, and a history of payments or charges. This page may also reflect any recent adjustments or supplementary bills, so it's a great way to confirm where your account stands before making a payment. If the lookup doesn't return results, double-check each entry. Confirm you use the mailing postal code, verify the exact name formatting, and ensure there are no extra spaces at the start or end of any field. If you recently received a new bill, use the most current information. A few quick tips. Access the site on a secure connection, keep your bill handy for accuracy, and consider bookmarking the lookup page for next time. Remember, this tool is specific to Toronto properties. Other municipalities in Ontario may have their own lookup pages. That's it. Simple, accurate, and fast. Follow these steps and you'll have your property tax details in moments.